One of the most important AI scientists on Earth just left Google. John Jumper, the Nobel Prize-winning creator of AlphaFold, has officially moved from Google DeepMind to Anthropic. This isn't just a routine job change. It's a seismic event in the ongoing AI talent war. Jumper's groundbreaking work on AlphaFold revolutionized protein folding, fundamentally changing drug discovery and biological research. His departure signals the incredibly intense competition for top-tier AI researchers in the race for global AI dominance. Think of it like a superstar athlete leaving their championship team for a direct rival at the absolute peak of their career. That's the sheer scale and impact of this move in the AI world. Anthropic is clearly making aggressive, strategic plays to secure the best minds, directly challenging established giants like Google. This high-profile transfer underscores how absolutely critical individual talent is for groundbreaking innovation. The future of AI will be built by these brilliant minds. Anthropic just landed a major blow. Subscribe if you don't want to fall behind in AI. This is the kind of workflow shift that shows up across industries, not just one niche use case. If you're exploring AI at work, start with a small pilot and define what success looks like before scaling. The speed of these releases means the playbook changes every few months, so save this approach for your team. Practical AI wins usually come from tighter prompts, clearer data, and human review, not from replacing experts overnight. Worth testing on a low-risk project first, then measuring time, save, and error rates before you roll it out broadly. Worth tracking as teams update their AI workflows this year. Follow for daily AI updates and practical breakdowns. Save this for your next team discussion on where AI actually helps. The details are still evolving, so verify updates from trusted outlets before you act. If you use AI daily, this is a signal that tooling is catching up to real-world use. Worth tracking as teams update their AI workflows this year. Follow for daily AI updates and practical breakdowns.